Hey, this is Nate Moeller from Web 801. In today's video, I'm going to go over a step-by-step guide on how to use Google Spreadsheets to create an invoice for your business. At the end, I'm going to give you a template that you can download for free to start creating invoices for your business. Let's get started. The first thing I do is I'm going to start by going to Google and typing in invoice template Google Sheets, and I hit enter. So I'm going to do this. I create the invoice and I'm going to create it just like this. And there's a pre-formatted template for me. Now you can see I've customized this one. I put a logo, I put the name of the business, the address, the email address, bill to, which is the business it's billing to, that address, the invoice number, which is important, the date issued, and then the description. What happened, what date it was, how much it cost, how much time it took, and then I also have the status there. And you'll notice if I do something else like test 2 and I put $10, it's going to automatically create a sum or a subtotal. And it has tax and the invoice total. The important part about this is you're probably going to be creating multiple invoices. So once you have a template like this, you can save it. So I can go File and then Make a Copy. And I click on Make a Copy. I'm going to keep it in my documents or my folder. So I'm going to just delete copy. I'm going to call this invoice number 3. And I'm going to click OK. And then it will open up a new tab and it'll show me the new invoice. I've already named it number 3 up here. I'm going to go down here. We're going to click this and put number 3, the date. I'm going to put in today's date, which is the 19th. And then I'm going to put in the times I did the work. And there's my invoice. And then I can file, I can export this to a PDF, or I can email this file right to someone. I click email file and I put in just like that. And I can also send to myself, or here's my invoice, and then I click send. And that's how I create an invoice. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. If you have questions or comments, please leave them in the comments below. Now time for the bonus. Go to this address, enter in your information, and download the free Google Sheets template that will allow you to create invoices for your business.